Myntri ka Tnat Pule Puthi urakam sangma ula Pynksan ni gajing temu jang ka sarkar banwan ra ki kot Pule ke Ncert ha gajalla na do usniam Pule banwan hadin gajing kintho ka balami na bon kiliang Myntri ula ong ba gajing temu jang ka sarkar ka long ban ai ki scare Pule ki baya kot kerdan bat ka perthai shiki khna Pule jang ka ne gajuk ka baminta bat kumta ka sarkar ka shem me ka rai ban pendan kami ki kot Pule ke Ncert na ka binta ki khna Pule na do class 1 hadu class 10 ula ong ru bakito ki bakin tho kim shem la pen pau ki jing ujor jang ki sha ka sarkar haba ka sarkar kadang wat jingmut halor kane kaman batat ondala shempat ya karai basami ki jing kentho na bon kiliang halor kane ka Jingpynkylla.
There is no improvement, there is no something not in that way. The problem is like the standardization, the contents. Look, I mean, what we call simple is simple. Most of the competitive examination question paper are all NCERT curriculum and syllabus based question paper. Yes, book may be far better than NCERT textbook that we have, but if that doesn't link to the what we call the board examination, we are studying some other topic, but that topic doesn't figure in the competitive examination. All that we will have to find.